My husband is the best, and he got this sun hat for me for my birthday, and I have really loved it. First off, I really love the material. Sometimes with straw hats, for me at least, it can be itchy, and this one is not at all. I love the feeling of it. I love the material of it. He ended up getting me the large size, and that has worked really well for my head. And you can see it comes with a drawstring. It's made of paper straw and polyester, and it gives UV protection. I really enjoy gardening or going out on the lake, and I love that this not only protects me from the sun, but it also gives such a fun fashion to it as well. When it is shipped to you, it will be rolled up and creased, and so they give instructions on using a steamer, pressing it out with some books, and after that, it's been wonderful and has held its shape perfectly.